In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal Business UK account for your Lutity company in just 5 minutes. We'll go through each step to ensure you know exactly how to set everything up smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to PayPal's website. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button at the top of the homepage. Clicking this will get you moving towards setting up your new account. As you proceed, you'll be presented with a choice between a personal account and a business account. Since we're setting up for an Lutity company, you'll want to select the business account option. This account type is designed to handle the needs of businesses, offering features that are crucial for managing your company's finances effectively. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address you want to associate with your PayPal business account. Make sure this is an email you regularly use and have easy access to, as PayPal will send important information and verification details here. After entering your email, you'll move on to providing your business information. Be prepared with the registered name of your Lutity company, as this helps verify your business identity. Following that, you will be required to enter the physical address of your company. Make sure this is the accurate address associated with your Lutity, since any future correspondence, including potential shipping details or financial statements, may need to reference this. Now, let's move on to selecting your business category. PayPal will ask you to choose the most appropriate category and possibly a subcategory that best describes what your business does. Selecting the right category ensures that your business profile is comprehensive and appropriately presents your company to clients or partners. After that, provide your business URL. If you have a company website, this is your chance to link it to your PayPal account. Even if it's just a simple landing page, it's a good idea to include it, as it adds credibility to your business profile. You'll then need to enter some personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and nationality. This information helps PayPal secure your account and comply with regulations. Before you finalize the setup, PayPal will present you with their user agreement and privacy policy. Make sure to take a moment to read these carefully. Once you're comfortable with the terms, you can click on Agree and Create Account. The next step involves verifying your email. PayPal will send a verification message to the email address you provided. Simply follow the instructions in the email to confirm your account. Finally, you'll want to add and verify a bank account to connect to your PayPal business account. This is typically done by entering your bank details and verifying them through a small transaction. By doing this, you're all set to manage your business transactions seamlessly through PayPal. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've set up your PayPal Business UK account. Now you're ready to start managing your business transactions with ease and convenience.